In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a custom domain in Vercel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect when you take a domain off your project. This is useful when you've migrated to a new domain, you're cleaning up old configurations, or you just want to stop traffic from routing through a specific address. Keep in mind, removing a domain in Vercel detaches it from your project or team's routing, so visitors won't reach your deployment via that domain anymore. First, open your browser and head to the Vercel website. Sign into your account using your email. If you're part of multiple teams, make sure you're in the correct workspace so you're viewing the right set of projects and domains. You may be asked to verify your login. That's normal. Just complete the prompts and proceed to the dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation and select the domains section. This is where Vercel lists all domains associated with your current scope. If you navigated in from a project, you'll see domains tied to that specific project. If you entered from the team overview, you'll see domains at the team level. Either way, this is the central place to manage them. Now find the domain you want to remove. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct one, especially if you work with multiple domains or subdomains. If the domain is marked as primary for a project, removing it means your deployment will no longer be served at that address. Check for any aliases or connected subdomains you might also rely on, and make sure traffic has already been moved where you need it. On the right side of the domain entry, click Edit. This opens the options for that specific domain, giving you access to settings and actions. Think of this as the domain's control panel. We're heading here just to access the removal command. Next, click Remove. Vercel will typically ask you to confirm, just to prevent accidental changes. Confirm the removal and the domain will be detached from your project or workspace. After this, that domain will stop routing to your deployment. If you decide to add it again later, you may need to verify ownership and reapply any previous settings. Also note, removing a domain in Vercel doesn't automatically change records at your domain registrar. Those stay as is unless you update them separately. That's it, you've successfully removed a custom domain in Vercel. If you found this helpful, double-check your environment for any links or redirects that might still point to the old domain, and you'll be all set.